What up, Art of the Greatest Faithful? It's currently March 2nd, Friday, March 2nd, 2018, at 7:08. It's because this clock goes 3 minutes ahead. So today, I currently officially call it Hurricane Heist. Yep, Hurricane Heist. We got high winds, rain, even a northeaster is coming up tomorrow. So that's why I'm not going to put my solar panel. Well, it could still go through, like, windows. So, not like the computer windows, but, you know, like this kind of window. See that high one? So, yeah. Set up an emergency alert system on my phone for 5:45 p.m.
This is not from this.
There's some flooding right there. Just a puddle. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Oh, holy! Holy! Holy, holy, holy. Just holy. Oh, there's some flooding on that deck over there. Great. No fast rain. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to Art of the Greatest. For now, peace. Good luck if you're in New England for the northeaster coming up tomorrow and for the storm coming up today.